Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. The code execution cannot proceed because steam/api64.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So I'm going to show you how to fix this in GTA 5. Even if you're having this issue with other games, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So you're going to need this file. I'm going to put the link in the description, but most of the time you need only this particular one. So I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download it. So all you have to do is to open file location and copy these files to the directory where the game is located at. So after that, you can now launch your game. I hope this video helps you. Like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.